Good morning, everybody. Mom and Son Train Rail fans coming to you from Springfield, and it's snowing. The South Carolina Mom and Son. It's snowing. And there's the river right over there. We're still in the hotel room. We're heading over to the train show about 10:15 or so. Artie and Plumber have already headed over there. Plumber's going to come back and pick up me and Ray. And this will be for our second day at the train show. So we are super excited. And it's snowing. Ray was really, really happy. So look forward to some more videos. Little bits and pieces put together. And we'll see you in a little bit. Bye, guys. Thanks. It's snowing.